How are you friends? Today unboxing Amazon product, great Indian sale. Purchase from Amazon. Before start the video, please like and video, subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in that up. I button for more videos. I think this one almond is like badam. Before also unbox this one. Now one more is unbox. Any product I purchase in the online, I should be give unboxing. My channel. Want to grow my channel, please share these videos, like the channels, tell him, inform your friends. Amazon Prime membership. Inside headphone also. I get this one. MRP price is 1100 rupees. But get this one, I get very cheap price, 750 per kilo. Not bad. It is good quality badam. It's not surprise. Inside I have two invoice. One for almonds 759. This one I headphone 399. Boult. I don't know why go inside. Two product come inside. This is an unboxing headphone. Packing very hard this one. I don't know Amazon why you do it like this. Together one box. It's not a good unboxing. See, magnet supported. Some headphone rings also additional come there. Check one time back. Hearing sound. Bass is good. Sound is good. Not bad. We will give you $399 price. There's a magnet supported, everything. The MRP price is I think 800-900 rupees. See, HD call quality, 1 year warranty, base with microphone. I have built magnets. It support everything there. Okay guys, like this video, subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Need more video like this unboxing? Check in that up. I button for more videos.